Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of mathematics O levels is factors and multiples. First, we are going to understand ACF, highest common factor. The definition of the ACF is also known as greatest common divisor, is the largest number that divides all the given numbers without leaving a remainder. Okay, finding ACF. You can find the ACF using prime factorization or division method, etc. Key points. The ACF of two or more numbers is always less than or equal to the smallest of those numbers. If two numbers are co-prime, have no common factor other than 1, their ACF will be 1. Next, we are going to understand the LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. So, least multiple. The LCM is the smallest positive number that is multiple of all the given numbers. So, it is from the definition. So, LCM is the smallest positive. So, least stands for smallest positive number that is multiple. So, M stands for multiple of all the given numbers. Finding LCM. You can find the LCM using prime factorization or the division method. Key points. The LCM of two or more numbers is always greater than or equal to the largest of those numbers. If one number is a multiple of another, the LCM is the larger number. Okay, relation between LCM and ACF. Formula for any two numbers A and B, the product of ACF and LCM is equal to the product of the numbers. So A multiplied by B is equal to ACF multiplied by LCM. So this is the relation between LCM and ACF and the numbers. Note, this relationship holds true only for two numbers. So this is the condition. This will hold only for two numbers. If numbers are more than 2, this condition will not be applied. In summary, ACF. So A stands for highest or the largest. So the largest common divisor of two or more numbers. So C stands for common and F stands for factor or divisor, the largest common divisor of two or more numbers. LCM is the smallest possible smallest common multiple of two or more numbers, and the relationship between the LCM, SCF and their numbers is A multiplied by B is equal to ACF multiplied by LCM. So these are some concepts, and now we are going to solve these questions on the board. So come now. The first question of the topic is, which of the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are prime factors of 189? The method to solve this kind of question is, first we will find the prime factorization of this one. So look here, 189. So this will come in 3's table. So 3 6 are 18 and 3 3's are 9. Then in 3's table, 3 2's are 6 and 3 1's are 3. Then in 3's table, so 3 7's are 21. And finally 7's table, so 7 1's are 7. So these are the prime numbers which are actually dividing this number. So 3 and 7 are the numbers. So 3 and 7 are the numbers which are prime factors of 189. The next question is, express 315 in prime factors. So the method to express the number in prime factor is like this one. So this number is coming in 3's table. So 3 1's are 3 and 3 5's are 15. Again in 3's table. So 3 3's are 9 and 3 5's are 15. Then in 5's table, 5 7's are 35. And finally in 7's table, 7 1's are 7. So 315 is actually 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, because 3 is coming 2 times. So the method to write this number is 3 raised to power 2, and this 5 and 7 will be written as it is. So this is the prime factorization of 315. Here is another question, that is find the HCF and LCM of 189 and 84. So first we are going to find the HCF. So the method for HCF will be, we will go to the stage up to when the numbers will come into the same number. So the method will be, look now. So these are the numbers 189 and 84. So first we will note a number in which the both numbers are coming. So these two numbers are coming in 3's table. So 3 6 are 18 and 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 8s are 24. Again in 7's table these two numbers are coming. So 7 9s are 63 and 7 4s are 28. So you can see beyond this stage no table is there in which both numbers are coming. So we will stop here. So this is the ACF. Look now, we will write ACF, that is 3 multiplied by 7. 3 7s are 21. Okay, the method of the process of ACF is finished, and beyond this the process of LCM will be started. So at the same time, for the same numbers, if LCM is required too, so we will proceed in a way that now we will divide the numbers in a table. Either the table is dividing the number, any one number, or the like look here now. Here is a table of 2 in which 4 is coming but 9 is not coming. So we will proceed like this. So 9 is not coming in the table of 2, but 4 is coming. So 2 2s are 4. Again, this 2 is coming in the table of 2, 9 is not coming, so it will come down as it is, and 2 1s are 2. Now in the table of 3, this 9 is coming, so 3 3s are 9. This 1 will come down as it is, and then 3 1s are 3. So we will go to this stage for LCM process. Now we will rewrite all these values for LCM. Look now. So LCM is 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this is LCM. So now we will write these numbers in simplified form, but in order wise. Look now, 2 is coming 2 times, so 2 raised to power 2. 3 is coming 3 times, so 3 raised to power 3. And 7 is coming 1 time, so 7 is here. So this is the LCM of these two numbers. The next question in the topic is, using prime factorization, find the square root of. Okay, using prime factorization, find the square root of. This kind of question normally comes in the paper number 1 of mathematics, where calculator is not allowed. So look here, we will solve the question. The method is 2304. So we are going to prime factorize it. So in 2's table, these values are coming, all digits are coming. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 2s are 4. So again in 2's table, this number is coming. So 2 5s are 10, 1 2 7s are 14, 1 2 6 are 12. So again in 2's table, this number is coming. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Again in 2's table, this number is coming. 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are. Again in 2's table, 2 7s are, 2 2s are. Again in 2's table, so 2 3's are 6, 2 6 are 12. Again in 2's table, so 2 1's are 2 8's are. Because space is finished, I'm coming here now. So 18. Again in 2's table, so 2 9's are 18. Then in 3's table, 3 3's are 9. And then in 3's table, 3 1's are 3. So 2304 is the number. And prime factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 2 is coming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 3 is coming 2 times. So 3 multiplied by 3. So the requirement is now find the square root. So we will take the square root of this number and these factors as well. So square root is the requirement. So we will pick one value out of every two in the square root. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs are there. So it means 4 times 2 will come out. And one pair of the 3's there, so 1 3 will come out. So after multiplying, that will be the answer. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, and 16 3's are 48. So this is the square root of this number. The next question is, using prime factorization, find the cube root of this number. So look now, the cube root of this number using the prime factorization, the method will be 5832. So this number is coming in 2's table. So 2 2's are 4, 2 9's are 18, 2 1's are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again in 2's table, so 2 1's are 2, 2 4's are 8, 2 5's are 10, 2 8's are 16. Again in 2's table, so 2 7's are 14, 2 2's are 4, 2 9's are 18. So here it will come in 9's table, so 3's table. So 3 2's are 6, 3 4's are 12, 3 3's are 9. Again in 3's table, so 3 8's are 24, 3 1's are 3. Again in 3's table, so 3 2's are 6 and 3 7's are 21. Again in 3's table, 3 9's are 27. Space is finished, so I'm coming here. So 9. Again in 3's table, so 3 3's are 9. And again in 3's table, so 3 1's are 3. So this is the number 5832. And its prime factors are 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 is coming. So 1, 2, 3. And 3 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now because the requirement is find the cube root, so we will take the cube roots of both sides. So this is the cube root. We will write root sign and 3 will be there, and the cube root of the right side as well. So okay, now the method will be, we will pick one value out of every 3 values from the root. So 2 will come one time, 3 will come 2 times, because there are 2 sets of 3 3. So 3 is coming 2 times. Now we will multiply these values. 2 3's are 6 and 6 3's are 18. So this is the cube root of this number. The next question is estimate mentally. Whenever this kind of questions come in the paper, the method to solve these kind of numbers is round off these numbers to nearest 10, 100 or 1000, etc. That will make the question more easy. For example, we are required to estimate mentally 51 square. So we will round off this number to nearest 10. So the number will be 50. and square is as it is. Now we will take the square of this because square is given. So we will take the square of 5. So 5 5s are 25, and this 0 will be doubled because of the square. So here is 1 0. So now there will be 2 zeros. So this is the answer of this one. In this number, first we will round off this number to nearest 10. So the number will be 20. This cube is as it is. Now next step will be we will take the cube of 2 because 2's cube is there. So 2's cube is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. And here is 1 0 because of a cube. This 0 will be written 3 times. So 1 is there. So 1, 1 and 1 because of this cube. So this is the answer of this number. Likewise, we will round off this number to nearest 100. So this number will be 400. This cube is as it is. Now we will take the cube of 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. And here are 2 zeros given and cube is there. So these 2 zeros will be written 3 times. So look, 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. So this is the answer of this number. In this number, cube root is the requirement. So first we will write this number rounding off to nearest 1000. So answer will be 1000. And this cube root is as it is. First we will take the cube root of the non-zero number. So the cube root of non-zero number 1 is 1. And we will pick one value from the 3 values. So 1 0 will come out. So this is the answer of this number. In this number, we will round off this number to nearest 49 because 49 is the square root of 7. So this is the answer. In this number, first we will round off this number to nearest 10. That will be 20 square. And this number 10,004 to nearest 10,000. Okay, the next step will be we will take the square of 2. So 2 square will be 4 and 0 will be coming 2 times because of the square. So 1 time, 2 time multiplied by. This is the square root. So we will take the square root of the non-zero number first. So the square root of the non-zero number is 1. And square root stands for every one value from the 2 values will come out. So 1 and 1. So 0 will come out and 0 will come out from those pairs. And finally, we will multiply the non-zero number with the non-zero number. So 4 ones are 4. And these zeros in total will be written with it. So 2 and 2, 4 zeros are there. So here are 4 zeros. So this is the answer of the question. Here is another question. Fill in the missing numbers. So some patterns are there. So in this kind of question, we actually will be required to pick the pattern first and then follow the same pattern. For example, in first equation 0, 6, 12, 18. If you see plus 6, plus 6, plus 6 and up to so on to gain the next number. So we will add 6 into this number. So 24. Then again 6 into this number 30. So this will be the pattern. So if you look at this pattern, so plus 1, then whatever the answer of this one multiplied by 2, so will be added to 2. So whatever the answer in this one again multiplied by 2, so 4 is added. So whatever the answer is of this one multiplied by 2, so this is the answer. Again, whatever the answer of this, so 16 will be added into this. So 28 and 38 will be the number. So again multiplied by 2, so 32. So the number will be 70. So this is the pattern. if you look in this pattern, every next number is obtained by dividing the previous number by 2. Divide by 2 will give this, divide by 2 will give this, divide by 2 will give this. So again divided by 2 will give this. Okay, again divided by 2 will give this. In this number, if you can see, every number is a cube of natural number. So it is 1's cube, it is 2's cube, it is 3's cube, it is 4's cube, then 5's cube is 5, 5's are 25, 25, 5's are 125, and then 6 cube, 6, 6 are 36, 36, 6 are 216. So these are the answers. Here is a question, and the statement of the question is consider the pattern. So this is the pattern. Requirement is find the 8th line in the pattern, and second part is find the value of k. Okay, first we will consider the pattern. If you see on the right side of the every line, there are actually natural numbers whose squares are given: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and whatever the number of the line is, that number square is there. So first line 1 square, second line 2 square, third line 3 square, and up to so on. Moreover, we can also check that, we can also note that in the first line there is one odd number, in second line first odd number sum is there, in third line the sum of the first 3 odd numbers, in fourth line the sum of the first 4 odd numbers, and up to so on. Okay, the 8th line's pattern is the requirement. So in 8th line there will be first 8 odd numbers, sum should be there. So look now, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the sum of the first 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the sum of the first 8 odd numbers. And on the right side, whatever the number of the line, that natural numbers square should be there. So 8th line, so 8 square should be there. So this is the 8th line. Okay, second part is find the value of k. So if you look in the last line, 144 is given. 144 is equal to 12 square. So it means this will be the 12th line. So it means this will be 12th odd number. So this is the 8th one. So then 8th, 9, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 17, 19, 21, and 23. So this will be equal to 23. So 2k minus 1 will be equal to 23. And from here we will solve it. So 2k will be equal to 24. This one is going to the right side. So then k will be equal to 12. So this is the value of the k.